If you've ever bought a $100 marketing course promising to 10x your business in 30 days, this video could save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration. I'm about to show you why 99% of these so-called marketing miracles are actually destroying businesses just like yours, and more importantly, what actually works instead. But first, smash that subscribe button because I'm going to give you the unfiltered truth that most marketing gurus will never tell you. I'm Tony Koenig, and over the past 18 years, I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs build real, sustainable marketing systems that actually generate leads and convert customers. But before I figured out what works, I wasted over $10,000 on these cheap marketing miracles myself. I've tested every $100 course, every secret hack, and every proven system you can imagine. And what I discovered will probably shock you. Here's what nobody talks about. Every day you continue chasing these marketing miracles, you're not just wasting money, you're training your audience to ignore you. You're burning through your most valuable prospects with spammy tactics. And worst of all, you're building your business on a foundation of sand that will collapse the moment these hacks stop working. If you don't change course right now, in 6 months, you'll still be jumping from one shiny marketing object to the next, wondering why you're working harder but making less money. Don't let that be you. The 3 marketing miracle lies debunked. Lie number 1, just spend $100 on ads and make $1,000 instantly. This is complete nonsense. Real marketing requires testing, optimization, and relationship building. Those screenshots they show you, either fake, cherry-picked, or from businesses that already had everything else dialed in. The truth is, profitable advertising takes time to master and money to test. Lie number 2, copy this exact funnel and print money. Your business is unique. Your customers are unique. Cookie-cutter funnels fail because they ignore the most important element of marketing: understanding your specific audience's problems, desires, and buying behaviors. What works for a fitness coach won't work for a software company. Lie number 3. One simple automation will replace all your marketing. Automation is powerful, but only when it's built on a foundation of proven manual processes. These courses sell you the automation without teaching you the strategy behind it. It's like giving someone a Ferrari when they don't know how to drive. The 3-pillar system that actually builds businesses. Pillar 1, deep customer research. Before you write a single ad or build any funnel, you need to understand exactly who your customers are, what keeps them awake at night, and how they make buying decisions. This isn't sexy, but it's the difference between businesses that thrive and businesses that die. Pillar 2, strategic lead generation. Real lead generation isn't about tricking people into giving you their email. It's about creating genuine value that attracts your ideal customers and naturally moves them toward a purchase decision. This means content that actually helps, offers that actually solve problems, and follow-up that actually builds relationships. Pillar 3, systematic conversion processes. Once you have the right leads, you need predictable systems to turn them into customers. This isn't about manipulation or high-pressure tactics. It's about clear communication, social proof, and making it easy for people to buy from you when they're ready. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Building a real marketing system that generates consistent leads and sales requires investment. Not just money, but time, energy, and commitment to doing things the right way. But here's the good news. When you do it right, you build something that compounds. Instead of constantly chasing the next marketing miracle, you have predictable systems that grow your business month after month. Look, I know this isn't what you wanted to hear. You probably clicked on this video hoping I'd give you another shortcut. But if you're tired of shortcuts that don't work and you're ready to build a real marketing system that actually grows your business, I want to help you. I've put together a free training that shows you exactly how to implement these 3 pillars in your business. No fluff, no false promises, just the step-by-step process I use with my clients to build marketing systems that actually work. The link is in the description below, and it's completely free. But here's the thing. This training is only for entrepreneurs who are serious about building something real. If you're still looking for the $100 miracle, this isn't for you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS marketing advice, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to break down the biggest lead generation mistake I see entrepreneurs make. And it's probably something you're doing right now. Oh, and if you want to see the actual numbers from my $10,000 marketing experiment, including the exact courses I bought and why they failed, stick around because I'm dropping that video next week. You won't want to miss it.